Fridays can help you.
Hello?
Fridays. Yes.
It's fried chicken restaurant there.
Yes.
I need to order some chicken, please.
Okay.
I have a party at home. How many delivery? Can you make delivery? First of all. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can you make deliveries?
Can I make what?
Deliveries.
I can't understand that.
Can you deliver it?
Fridays, may I help you?
Hello?
Fridays.
Hello, can you make deliveries? Take away.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Can I order chicken, please?
Okay, what kind of chicken?
Okay. Two chicken, fried chicken.
Yeah, but which one?
Yeah, half chicken.
Okay, you want a whole chicken?
Yeah, half.
How many pieces?
Two pieces.
Okay, so you want dark, white, or mixed?
Yeah.
Which one? Dark, white, or mixed?
Dark.
Okay, do you want chicken and roll or do you want dinners? Okay, so you want two orders of the two-piece dark dinners?
Yes, and chicken fillet.
With fries?
Yes, with fries and the chicken fillet, please.
And with what?
Chicken fillet.
Okay, I've got fries. That's all I have.
Yes. David, chicken pussy, please.
Okay, so you want two orders of the two-piece dark dinners?
Yeah.
With fries?
Yes.
Anything else?
No. Yeah, and chicken pussy.
I'm not understanding what you're trying to say.
Chicken pussy you have. With fries.
I got
and
two-piece dark dinners. That's all I have.
Yes. And another thing, please.
Okay, is that it?
Another thing I say. I need chicken pussy for my little daughter.
Okay, two-piece dark dinners.
Yes, chicken nuggets and chicken pussy.
I'm still not understanding you.
Must be the reception. Hello?
Yeah.
How many times I have to take them from you?
Do what, hon?
How many times I have to take them?
Okay. Is it two-piece dark dinners? Is that all you needed?
Yes.
Okay, and who's it for?
Abdullah Muhammad.
Okay, it'll be done in about 5 minutes.
I will be done in 5 minutes, okay?
Okay? And that's two-piece dark dinners.
Yes, and how many money?
Okay.
How many money?
How much?
Money, yes.
Okay, how much will it be?
Yeah.
Okay, two-piece dark dinners.
Oh, nice.
$12.33.
Yes. I will be done in 5 minutes, okay? Thanks.
Okay.